This time, I want you to concentrate on the name of someone. Sir, just do me a favor. Can you just say the name in your mind? Okay. Okay, one more. Please tell us the name you were thinking of.
The first name of my classmate.
Sige, si Chairman na. What about Sir Rodriguez? Sige, sir, would you mind joining me up here? Tulungan natin si Sir. Sir, hi sir. Nice to see you. I'm Eman. Dito tayo, sir. Sir Rodriguez. I want you to, katulad ng ginawa natin kanina, okay? Ginawa natin kanina. This time, I want you to concentrate on the name of someone. Alam ko mayroon na, but I want you to really concentrate din sa kung sino man yung tao na yun. Okay? Kinakabahan ako, hindi ko alam kung mag-work, sir, ha? Pero subukan natin. Okay. Sir, I want you to medyo ibahin natin yung process to this time. Imagine in front of you. Okay. Just to confirm to everyone of you here, meron kang isang name na tao na inisip na impossible for me to know, correct? Yes, okay. Pwede ako pili ng mic or Rodriguez, please. Here's the mic. Okay. Sir, this one is for you. Sir, dami mo fans, sir, no? Sige. Sir Rodriguez, I want you to imagine in front of you, merong blank screen. Try to see the words po written on that screen. Okay? Try to mix all the letters. Ginagawa niyo po ngayon. Ay, sorry, yung name po, yung name. Nalilito na, dami kasi distractions eh. Kaya huwag kayong maingay. so yun nga, name yung inisip niya. Katulad ng ginawa ko kay Rambo. Okay. Yung name na sir nakasulat dito, mix all the letters. And now, Sir Rodriguez, do me a favor, just think of one letter somewhere in the middle of that word. One letter? Sorry, word ako ng word, yung name. Okay. So nakikita mo yung name, mix mo, nag-iisip ka ng letter somewhere in the middle. Sir, I'm actually getting two letters. You almost don't want us to one is a Are you explaining? I'm getting L or I, something like that? Yes, okay. That's a positive confirmation from you. Okay, sige. Kukunin ko yan. This is my first test. Kung nakuha ko to, I think you figure out the entire word. Sir, just do me a favor. Can you just say the name in your mind? Okay? Okay, one more.
Style. Yung name ko.
Make L and I. Sir, one more time. Can you just say I just want to make sure. Just say the name in your mind. Don't work really or else baka makakuha ka ng something. Done. Sir Rodriguez, for the very first time, para marinig nilang lahat, please tell us the name you were thinking of.
The first name of my classmate, Nilito Tan. Nilito.
Nalito. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for taking part. Salamat po. Again, tulong pa natin, Sir Rodriguez.